Take everything back I said about your stand-up career, Vat.
It's just a kickoff tonight. Is everyone here? So we have 32 people. Thank you, everyone, for coming. We got to there. I'm so excited. And we are going to start now the Forge-athon 2024 winners session. So the first thing, we want to say a big thank you to all of you that participated. It was a lot of effort and participating and creating and building the videos. So it is fantastic. The results are great. We are super excited to show to everyone today. Did I see a hands up? No. Okay. So that's the big thank you we want to do for you guys for participating in OutSystems, for organizing with everyone. So Sahiba, Maria is here. I don't know if the other judge is already here as well, but
yeah, he's here. Sohel is here. Sohel, did I say your name right? But yeah.
Yeah, that is right.
okay. Thank you for coming,
Thank you.
Sohel, to participate in this moment, to give the feedback to all these teams that work so hard to get these Forge components ready. And we are looking forward to seeing Forge your components, not just here after that. So just to recap the prizes, we had the first prize is 450 Australian dollars to be shared between the group, plus OutSystems kit, plus certification voucher, which is a good prize as a whole thing. We have the second place, OutSystems kit plus certification voucher. The third place, we have only OutSystems kits. And then the fourth place, OutSystems agreed that nobody should go with the hands empty. So we have T-shirts for everyone. So nobody's going to come back home with nothing, at least a T-shirt for the fourth group. So the next, this QR code is for you guys to, we're going to send after as well, but this is for you to fill the form with your information so OutSystems can organize the prizes and send everything to the kits to your houses or to the address you want to receive, and the certification voucher and everything. So that's after today, after the ceremony here, after the event, you can just send your details and receive your prizes. So next, Julia. So we just want to share the criteria that Maria and Sohel worked on to judge who is the first and second or whatever, all the different color. Was very similar. The numbers, like the final marks, were very close. But the technical approach is 20%, innovation 30%, experience 15%, user experience, use case relevance 20%, and demo plus storytelling 15%. So that's the distribution that made the final mark. So next. So who did who applied the criteria and did the judgment is Maria and Sohel. So they are here today, and they will be able to give some feedbacks on the presentations. So the next, we are going to play the different presentations. Maria and Sohel, do you want to talk at the end, or you want to talk every presentation? You want to give some feedback? How do you prefer to do?
I mean, I'm okay with anything. I think at the end of the session, like, we can give just summary.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm happy with the same approach.
Okay, thank you. So we are going to start the presentations, and we are going to play the videos to each one in order for the group name. So first one, group 1, we have Ferdinand, Juliana, Grijesh, Mayu, Navdeep, Supriyu. Let's go.
Welcome to the Group 1 presentation on OutSystems ODC Forge-athon 2024. Get ready to meet the next generation of tools designed to empower developers in their journey towards OutSystems certification. Introducing CertiBuddy. CertiBuddy is a comprehensive tool designed to guide aspiring OutSystems developers through the entire journey of certification. Let's dive into the features and benefits of CertiBuddy. The recommendation tool offers advice on which pathway to follow based on the student's skills. Next, the structured learning approach removes the ambiguity often associated with self-paced learning. Plus, direct links to training courses, documentation, and mock exams make preparation seamless. Let's explore the key benefits and features of CertiBuddy. When sign in, students can choose between different roles. The user profile can be modified to show the user's skills and certifications to match their career aspirations. Mentors can log in using the supervisor role and manage the mentored team. On the main page, users can access features like Ask Me Anything about OutSystems. And our powerful recommendation tool. The user also can search for certifications by selecting the OutSystems platform or choosing the seniority level to get started. Let's take a look at how CertiBuddy shows the certifications information, using the Security Specialist certification as an example. After searching or clicking on a certification badge, CertiBuddy navigates to that certifications page, displaying all the essential details, such as requirements, subject, target audience, cost, exam duration, and topics. Navigating through exam topics, the user can click on Start Learning to access the Learning Resources section, which includes direct links to relevant training courses, documentation, and community resources. Also, the user can hit mark as completed to track his progress. This tool keeps users motivated by showing their progress with a visual representation of their journey. And by clicking Take a Mock Exam, the user will be directed to a timed test simulation. Our mock exam feature provides a realistic test simulation with a timer, helping users prepare effectively for the actual certification exam. As a back-office developer, it's possible to change all the information, ensuring CertiBuddy stays current and relevant. This feature guarantees that our tool adapts to new updates and continues to provide accurate guidance. Also, it's possible to manage the user's roles with a simple click. SertiBuddy is not just a tool. It's your partner on the journey to OutSystems certification. With technical excellence, innovative features, a seamless user experience, and relevant use cases, SertiBuddy stands out as a transformative component in the OutSystems Forge. SertiBuddy, the definitive roadmap for a successful career at OutSystems. Available in the OutSystems ODC Forge library.
Wow. Well done, guys. Do you want to make any comments, group, before we go to the next about the experience?
What an amazing demo.
Yeah, it was really good.
I just want to say well done to the team. It was great to see them come together. And even when I was off sick, I think that gave them a boost. So they did really well with the video and all of that stuff. Well done, team. Very proud of you.
Thank you, Hanno. It's amazing. It's really good. Yeah. Do you want to say something as well, Jill? No?
Just say thank you.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to group 2.
Welcome to the Group 1 presentation.
Hello everyone. So we guys are from group 2 team. So we worked on actually WebExam measurement. So today also we are here to show you how WebExam measure is basically work in the real time. So WebXR device API is a kind of a web application programming interface which basically provide or support the AR and VR to the real devices. Here we created a Forge component that will help user to integrate quickly or like measuring tools from the mobile application. So here we have created a simple block, camera measurement block, in which we have created two events with the for measurement or for the screenshot. So the user need to simply add that block in their application for use that functionality of the AR measurement. So this tool is basically used for in such scenarios where the user will not get any measuring tools, or sometimes what happen like we will not have any measuring tools available. So we can use that component instead. So we just need to simply add this block in our application for using the functionality of this block or the component. Like you can measure some product things, or like you can measure the dimension of any product, or parallelly you can take the screenshots whatever you have measure from this AR component. So it really helps you out to get the dimension, to get the exact dimension of the product. So here are some possible use cases where we can use this component, or where it will help you out for measuring some things. Like you can use it for the basic measurements, like the laptop dimensions you wanted to check, or like the screen dimension or the mobile display dimension. So it will basically comes under the basic measurements. It will help you out to measuring that dimensions. Or this will also use in the constructions sections, like construction areas, like for checking the building height, or bricks, or like the blocks area, blocks dimension. Also you can use it for the floor planning, like the floor dimensions, and many more such scenarios. It will basically whatever we basically do in our the real daily life, so it will be useful. So I'll show you the demo, like how this AR basically works in the real time. So let's play this video. see, there are some screenshots we have attached here. Like we have taken the bottle dimension. So, and we have taken the laptop dimension, like what will be the exact length or the height of the particular laptop. Also, we measured that cabin dimensions, like the cabin height and the length. So this component is really useful for the professionals and the non-professionals.
Thank you. It was great. Do you want to say something? Yeah, we had a heads up. Any comments from the team?
Yeah, these guys pull things together. Love the Zen moment there in the presentation. Feels relaxed hearing those voices, and there was a peaceful demo at the end. Love it, guys. Thanks, Prince, for doing the demo, and the guys who helped on this one.
Yeah, wow. The component looks so useful.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Sorry, the video played again. That wasn't somebody. That was a video.
Okay. So, all right. So now we go to our group 4, the last one. Raquel, do you want to say something? I see some hands going up and down, up and down.
No, sorry. I just trying to put the image in my background, but I can't. I don't know why. Sorry, it's okay.
It's okay. All right. So let's watch the last one.
We have 2 more. There's a group 7 after.
Oh, yes, true. Because it's 4 groups, I thought was 4.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, we have the group 7 after.
A11Y stands for accessibility. It is a numeral name, with 11 representing the count of letters between the letter A and the letter Y. Another popular numeral name is 118N, internationalization. Such short representations became popular in the age of microblogging, when every character counted, but hashtags were fundamental for finding an audience. This was the topic of a user group in Porto, 14 hours before this hackathon started. Roughly 15% of the global population lives with some form of disability. A web presence without accessibility means keeping these individuals away from our services. There are ethical and legal implications to implementing it. We followed the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines by the World Wide Web Consortium. It is established as the worldwide standard, including for the EN 301549 compliance that will be mandatory in about 1 year in all the European Union. The Web Content Accessibility Guidelines are a set of recommendations published by the Web Accessibility Initiative of the World Wide Web Consortium to make web content more accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. WCAG is widely accepted as the global standard for web accessibility. According to WCAG, approximately 82 tests are conducted to ensure the web page fully complies with the guidelines, which are divided into 3 levels of conformance: A, AA, and AAA. OutSystems already enforces some of those guidelines. It still isn't magic enough to make all sites perfect, but we can try. The Web A Million is an annual report that analyzes the accessibility of 1 million home pages on the web. The 2024 report is the 5th edition of this study, which aims to provide a comprehensive overview of the state of web accessibility, highlighting the most common barriers that users with disabilities encounter while browsing the web. The analysis revealed that 96% of home pages have WCAG failures. On average, each home page contains 51 accessibility errors. The study found that 96% of all detected errors fall into just 6 categories: low contrast text, missing alternative text for images, missing labels for form inputs, empty links, empty buttons, and missing document language definition. What have we done? We increased the contrast of buttons. Adequate contrast is essential to ensure that content is readable for people with visual impairments, such as color blindness or low vision. For this part, we used WebAIM on API to test contrast. We created alternative text for images. It is essential to ensure accessibility because it allows screen readers used by people with visual impairments to describe images. For this part, we migrated to ODC Forge, the Azure OpenAI Vision Connector. We aren't using it because we haven't been approved yet by Azure. We wrote labels where they were missing. When labels are missing, users may struggle to fill out forms correctly, which can impair the usability and accessibility of the website. We fixed this by using the input ID as a reference on its purpose. We set the title and a single H1 heading. Headings are the primary mechanism used by screen reader users to navigate content. Their proper implementation is important. We fixed this by using ChatGPT API to read the site's content and advise on a proper title. We created the Skip to Main Content link. Skip links are designed to allow users to skip directly to the main content of a web page, bypassing repetitive navigation sections, such as menus, sidebars, or headers. We created the missing link and used ChatGPT to write its label in the same language of the site. We found the missing language. Users who rely on assistive technologies may have difficulty navigating and understanding page content if the language is not correctly defined. We fixed this by using ChatGPT API to identify the site's main language. How does it work for developers? We simplify the process to the max by creating a library with a block that can be placed on the layouts of applications to automatically run on each open page. At the back office, we can monitor the accessibility status of each page over time. This way, developers, designers, and authors can improve their work based on our suggestions. The next steps involve continuing development to address other less common accessibility issues. These improvements will not only help developers make websites more accessible, but also ensure an inclusive experience for all users, regardless of their abilities or limitations. Our database was already designed to allow preemptive fixes. We save the JavaScript used for each correction and can run it on the site without repeating the entire analysis. And if developers fix the root cause, we just need to run a new analysis and the JavaScript is optimized again. This part can become a lot faster if we load the JavaScript library to store the needed functions. Thank you and have an accessible day.
Thank you. Hello, group 4, do you want to say something?
If the one wants to say nothing, I want to say a few words. First of all, congratulations to the group 4. I think this project has so much potential, especially because accessibility is something that is often forgotten, right? But it's very important to a lot of people. So having a component that automatically solves the issues we have is like a top idea, in my opinion. And besides that, I also want to say thank you for not only the group, but also Leonardo, because there was a week I was also sick, and the team kept working and did an amazing job. So well done, guys. I'm very proud of what you built.
Well done, well done.
And sorry, thank you, Raphael, to help us when we needed. It's only.
My pleasure. It was a pleasure.
All right, someone else want to talk about the project? No? Okay, let's go to the next one. So let's play group 7.
Hello everyone, we are group 7. As part of the ODC Forge-athon challenge, we have built a component called the auditor. This component is a solution designed to track and record all data manipulations on your desired entities. Whenever there is a record which is created, updated, or deleted, the auditor captures these modifications. The store changes service action in the auditor should be called in any action, whether it is create, update, or delete, that requires storing its data manipulations. It works in a way that it compares the old data and the new modifications in the record using the JSON diff action and identifies the specific changes. The results are systematically logged and can be reviewed in detail using our user-friendly screens. We have 2 screens for viewing the recorded audits in our component. The audit list screen. The screen provides an overview of all the changes that have occurred in any records, giving us a high-level summary of all the changes in the entities. We also have an audit detail screen. This screen gives a granular view of individual changes, showing exactly which data attributes were added, updated, or deleted. To provide a practical demo, we have built an application called the Auditor Demo. In this application, we have a list of products and customers. We'll go through the scenario where I'll create a product record, update it, and delete to show how the auditor works and displays these changes. Firstly, I'll create a product. In the save action, we are calling the store changes service action from the auditor. So this will be logged into our auditor application. This is how the auditor logs the event. We can see the application name, the entity where we have created the record ID, and the plus sign indicating a new record creation along with other detail. Let's view the detail of this record. Here we can see more information about the log. We can see who created this log, the operation that happened, and the attribute names, their previous value and their current value, along with the status of each attribute, indicating if it is created, updated, or deleted, the plus sign indicating creation. Next, let's see what happens when we update our product record. I have changed the product name. We can see a new entry created with the record ID and the status as updated. The pencil sign denotes updation. In the detail screen, we can see the previous value and the new value of the product name. The status is also changed to updated. We have both old and new values where we can verify these things. Finally, let's try deleting our product record. In the auditor application, a new record is created with the same record ID and the status as deleted. If we check its detail, we can see the statuses on all attributes as deleted. So that concludes our demo. Thank you so much for your attention.
You can talk, Vaisali. Congratulations. Do you want to talk, Vaisali? Okay, congratulations to the group. It was awesome. What an incredible component. Stuart, do you want to say something?
Oh, yes, the team was wonderful. So I basically told the team I basically wasn't going to help them and that, you know, they had to do it themselves. Well, you know, I'm their mentoring, and they really stepped up to the plate, and like each did their parts, and was surprisingly good at producing the component, and then when we had to produce a video, Mahaba just really, you see the demonstration that he's put together. It was incredible. So we were all in awe of his abilities. So yeah, the team were wonderful, and we had some good discussions about how to design it, and so like I feel that we all got something out of it, and we had a good time doing it. So yeah, congratulations, team. You've done a wonderful job. I'm really proud.
Yeah, it's so great. Like if I was a judge, it would be very hard for me to choose. And you guys did an amazing job.
Hello.
So now I think it's time for the judge to talk and give them their feedback. Maria?
Yeah, happy to go first. First, want to say, regardless of who wins, it would be good to see that all of the solutions can be made available at some point, obviously, because all of them were great. So first of all, congratulations, obviously, to all who participated and put this together, not just the members of each team, but organizers, the mentors. It's really great to be part of, such an active tech community of our platform. And embracing, these kind of events is really important. It's not the first time I've been part of one of these, so I'm definitely still very humbled to be evaluating. But being honest, it's not an easy task, as you said, Patricia. Lots of creative ideas, and if you're able to, I don't know if you're going to share the scores at some point, but it's only a few decimals apart from each other, which really shows how difficult it's been. There's obviously lots of work and thinking that have been put into each of them. They're very different, though, although very good. Hopefully my comments, I tried to add comments for each of the sections and the criteria that we've been evaluated for. Hopefully they can be shared amongst the team, because they support obviously the reason behind my evaluation. I don't have it in front of me, but in general, what I was looking at, my mindset was understanding how this component can contribute to the wider developer community, and also the sort of bringing in my experience with different organizations on what I see that should have been expected when they are sort of looking at a Forge component. So mainly, how it's been built. Is it enterprise grade, or can it become enterprise grade? Does it provide enough information supporting it on how it needs to be used? So to give confidence of the person who will be evaluating and downloading this component, the confidence that's the right solution for them. So basically, in hindsight, these are the key things I was looking at. But congratulations, everyone. Thanks.
Thank you, Maria. And you, Sohail, what do you want to add to Maria?
Yeah, thank you very much. So Maria did sum it up very nicely. But I just want to add a couple of things. First of all, thank you very much for having me participate in this event. What's very, very difficult, like Maria mentioned, and I've seen really good use cases, very innovative use cases on the everybody has put upon it. Really nice work on that. So congratulations on everybody to coming together and working out on something that would definitely help larger part of the community. For me, mostly what I was looking for is again, lot of this Forge components, are going to be useful to a lot of customers as well as partners, right? Some of them were related to compliance, like accessibility, or that logger, right? Again, like these are the things which definitely sometimes become mandatory, right? For an organization to add it. So you need to do it. But if there is a Forge component available, it makes their life really easy. Similarly, some of the use cases were innovative and using the AR to do the measurement, which again I don't think we have anything like that in the ODC Forge as a component. So having that was really good as well. A couple of tips, if I want to give it for whoever did and could do better, would be one thing is the presentation makes a lot of importance. So give an importance on a presentation as well. Though your solution is very very good, presentation also plays a part. And secondly, if you can also show the demo, right? How this component can be used or how easy it is this component to be used uh, in another application, right? That would definitely help to also, understand that. I mean, how easy it will make for me to if I have to use this particular component. But apart from the, I mean, yeah, whatever I've seen, I was quite impressed and was really, really happy to be part of this. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you, Sohail. It was great to have you and Maria helping us to choose the first, the second, the third, and the fourth. And da-da-da-da! Let's go for the results now.
Sorry, before we announce the winners, Patty, do you mind if we take a group photo before everyone gets excited and people might leave and,
Turn on the cameras if you could. We'd love to see your friendly, lovely faces. There's Maria. Hi, Maria.
Yeah, I've stopped the car so I can take a photo.
Yeah, if you guys can turn on the camera, who can turn on the camera so we can have a nice screenshot for tomorrow to post in social media. that's
one.
Good. Oh, we have Sohail now.
Just one more time. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. So now we go to the winners. Da-da-da-da. Who is the 4th position? I'm waiting for you, Julia, to show the screen. Da-da-da-da. No, that breakdown is the end. I changed it. Okay. 4th position is the first group, group 1. Hanno, you got the 4th. You got all the t-shirts, and it was amazing. For me, it's like, it's hard to say who is the 4th, who is the 3rd, but yeah, you guys did an amazing job, and everybody that participated took some knowledge from this. So that's 4th place. Let's go to the 3rd place. Group 7, Stuart. You got the 3rd position. So Anjali, Jan, Mohammed, Pawam, Vadna. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce the name correctly. I'm doing my best. And now we go to the 2nd place. Ta-da-da-da. Group 2, John, Salamat, Arshad, Damini, Nikhil, Prince. You guys got the 2nd place. Congratulations. And then the first one, ta-da-da-da. Rafa, Nuno, Ana, Barbara, Gierli, Renata, and Tanya. Yeah! And now the breakdown. So you can see your marks in the different criteria. And we are also, can you show, Julia, the marks now? Yep, the scores breakdown. And we are gonna share with you all the comments that the judges did during when they were putting the marks. And you guys can read and get the feedback from that. So you can see it was very close, like 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. And yeah, we are gonna share this information with you later with the comments. Do you wanna say something, Jelly? No.
Thank you. It's my first in Hakatao. I started studying OutSystems in November. I am very proud. Thank you, Nuno, Renata, and Raphael. I learned a lot. Oh my God, I'm happy. I'm very happy.
That's awesome. Yeah,
I could add that not only the athlete, but outside myself, everyone is here from a reskilling program. 4 of them are from OutSystems developer schools. So thank you, OutSystems, for the opportunity, and thank you, Phoenix DX, for giving them this amazing experience.
Okay, thank you. Thank you guys for participating. I think the biggest for everyone is the learning, you know. So I'm super happy with the result, and everybody happy is the main thing, is in growing the community. That's the goal of this event. And now you can fill the forms and get your prizes and wait for in your postal, in your mail, to get your t-shirts, to get your kits, to get your certification vouchers and award vouchers. But you are all winners. So that's amazing. Thank you so much. Yes, we will share the QR code again. Can you come back, Julia, to the QR code? Julia?
Yeah, of course, my tablet, refuses to work right when I need it to. So apologies, everyone. Yeah. I'm glad we looked at the videos, because if I'm having issues just sharing PowerPoint. There you are.
Yeah. That was great. So everyone, thank you so much. And please come back. Tomorrow we are doing a post with everyone's and, the video from the awards, and plus your videos, everything. So yeah, stay tuned and share with your friends. So everybody join the next time and we can have more people participating. And for OutSystems, the feedback about the event is very important too. So don't waste the opportunity to give some feedback for them, so they keep involving and investing, organizing events like that.
Well done, everyone. Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you a lot for
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Bye. Thank you.
Great. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Great work, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.